Holly Folkedahl joins us for Money Matters today at Winona National Bank, and we're going to talk about the FDIC's four little letters that we see a lot and maybe don't fully understand what they are. So Holly, thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
So who is or what is the FDIC?
Well, the FDIC is an independent agency run by the U.S. government, and it stands for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation.
So what does the FDIC do?
FDIC insurance protects depositors against the loss of their insured deposits if a bank or savings association fails.
What financial institutions might be covered?
Most all financial institutions are covered, but it's not required. So if you ever want to know if you aren't covered, the FDIC website does list all the banks that are.
So then does the FDIC cover only banks?
FDIC insures banks and savings associations.
How do we know if our bank is a part of the FDIC?
Insured banks must display an official sign in each teller line. As said before, you can go onto their website. There's also an 800 number, and that's 1-877-275-3342. Or there's also on the website there is a program called EDIE, which is Electronic Deposit Insurance Estimator. And you can put your funds in there and it'll tell you whether you're insured or not.
Now what about limits?
The basic insurance limits are $250,000 per depositor per insured bank.
Are there limits per each account, and how can we make sure that we are keeping our accounts within those limits?
The limits are per depositor although you can get pretty creative with retitling them so that they are insured.
I know there are a number of different accounts. We've got the most popular, I guess, would be your single savings account or a family savings account. Are those the only types of accounts that are covered by the FDIC? How many other accounts are there?
The FDIC covers all types of deposits received at an insured bank. It does not cover like stocks, mutual funds, life insurance policies, or annuities or mutual securities.
So with all these different accounts, is it possible to have more than $250,000 and have it insured?
Yes. As I said before, you can get pretty creative. You can add a joint owner. You can open a trust. There are several other ways to structure your accounts so that you are fully covered. And we can certainly help you do that by stopping into Winona National Bank, and we can help you take care of that.
Thank you so much, Holly, for being here today and explaining the FDIC for us.
Thank you for having me.